I'm going to show you exactly how to find Canva's most hidden frame collection in 2025, even if you have never explored advanced elements before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to access the collection, preview the frames, and start using them to upgrade your designs instantly. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account, click Create, and select any canvas size that fits the type of design you want to work on. Once your blank canvas appears, move to the Elements tab on the left panel. In the search bar, type Abstract Frame, then hit Enter. A variety of elements will appear. Scroll down until you reach the Frames section, then click See All to view the full list of frames connected to your search. This next part is where Canva hides one of its most valuable collections. Continue scrolling until you find this specific abstract frame design. It will look different from the usual shapes, so take a moment to scan through the list. Hover your mouse over the frame. When the three dots appear, click them and select View Collection. Your Elements feed will reload and reveal a complete set of rare and unique frames that belong to Canva's most hidden frame collection. Most users never discover this because it is buried behind individual element settings rather than a visible category. Take your time exploring the collection. You will notice a wide range of artistic, abstract, geometric, and stylized frames that can instantly elevate your designs. Select any frame you like, and it will immediately appear on your canvas so you can start experimenting. To test the frame, go to Uploads on the left panel, choose any photo, and drag it onto the frame. The image will automatically snap inside, allowing you to see how the design enhances your visuals. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now learned exactly how to find Canva's most hidden frame collection, how to preview all the rare designs inside it, and how to use them to create standout graphics. Keep exploring, keep practicing, and make sure to join our free 20-minute masterclass for even more Canva secrets, design tips, and easy-to-follow tutorials that will help you grow your creativity and skill. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.